Yeah, and now I want to introduce Oljas from the OPmobility. It's a French company and they are tackling quite a difficult but important task of zero-emission mobility. Quite a big company. They're doing both battery and hydrogen approach. But today we get an insight in what they are doing for the battery part of the zero-emission mobility. And I think especially they are focusing on heavy-duty vehicles.
Perfectly. Yes. Hi. Hello, everyone. Could you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So, hello, everyone. So today I will focus more on our e-Power business unit, focused on battery. And I wanted to talk about flexibility. It's not technical presentation, but just this side of e-Power, the flexibility. So we know that in the market of battery provider, there is a strategy of push market. So we produce a battery pack and we push to the market. We have both, let's say, solutions of battery where we have now off the shelf that we can propose to our customer, but our expertise is more to adapt, personalize, and design a battery pack for the customer needs, and that's why we are talking about flexibility. So first, flexibility in the sector. As you could see, we are providing battery packs going from 48 volts up to 1,500 volts. So it's big systems going from light passenger car up to the big dump truck for mining, for instance. And what I can say is we have a particular expertise on railway market. Why it's important? Because as of today, what we see, railway market, it's most demanding in terms of standards and norms. And that's why when you know how to treat with railway, you can easily expand to other market, which are as well highly demanding, but not as the railway. So in this case, we are highly flexible. Let's say when we design the pack, all the innovation solutions that we implement inside, we can replicate to any size of battery, any application. But not only because we are a chemistry agnostic company. Let's say we work with all chemistry. We don't focus only on one, particularly like LTO, NMC, LFP, or sodium ion. We propose, depending on the need of the customer, the best chemistry which is fitting to the need. And today, as an example, we are also looking to the market for new chemistries, sodium ion, where we invested some money as well to 𝗕𝘁𝘁𝗃𝘁𝗁, where we are waiting for some results. Flexibility, it's not only about battery pack, but also the business model. Today, we, OPmobility, we have a flexible business model, meaning we can provide a battery pack which is plug and play from the design to manufactured by us at 100%. But we see as well on the market that customers are sometimes interested to co-design or totally to produce their own design. So we, thanks to this footprint of OPmobility and this industrial excellence, let's say, we can provide to the customer as well multi-print, directed component productions. So it's really depending on the needs of the customer. So one of the last things, it's the total in-house software development for the battery management system, which allow us to really to provide the personalized solutions to our customers. So in this sense, we are quite flexible. And as I told you, we are chemical agnostic. So I guess that's it. I did it really short to give you an overview. Don't hesitate if you have any questions. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. That was definitely in time. Actually, you saved quite a lot of time for the discussion. Let me start with the first question. You talked about the flexibility. Where is it starting in your company? Do you want to have the flexibility already on the cell level or further down the road?
So when I say flexibility, actually it starts from the specification of the customer, the needs. So we can consult the customer what is the best. And when it comes to the cell chemistry, we select jointly with the customer what is the best one. So we are not pushing one of the solutions absolutely, like you need LTO or you need NMC. We really evaluate, depending on the specification, what's the best fit, and we can select several solutions, let's say options, what to propose. And meaning today we have a panel of cell providers which are in partnership with us, and we can select from even inside a chemistry different provider.
All right, thank you. And are there some questions from the audience? Okay. It seems to not be that case. Maybe, Oljas, do you have a call of action? What do you want to, maybe with whom do you want to get in contact? What do you want to achieve in the next year or maybe the next 5 years with your approach?
Yeah. So, I mean, the first interest is, of course, to connect with OEMs.
Oh, you're muted.
I am muted. Sorry. Yes. No, I would say the first intention is to connect with OEMs to provide our solutions, but not only. If and I see in this audience we have a lot of potential partnerships to establish to implement some innovation into our battery pack. So we are quite open to get the best state-of-the-art technology on the market.
All right. Thank you very much. I think if there